Get ready to be amazed by how clever evolution is and the sheer variety of life in our blue planet. Let's dive into a world of strange adaptations and unbelievable beauty, where it's hard to tell the difference between science fiction and reality. In the cold, dark depths of the ocean, far below where the sun can reach, we find the Dumbo octopus. This charming little creature gets its name from its resemblance to the Disney character, thanks to its two big ear-like fins. These fins, unlike Dumbo's, don't flap. Instead, they gracefully move the Dumbo octopus through the water. It lives in the deep sea, a world of crushing pressure and freezing temperatures with an almost playful air. Its ears give it an endearing, almost funny appearance. Living as deep as 13,000 feet, the Dumbo octopus is rarely seen in its natural home. Scientists think it eats small crustaceans, worms, and other invertebrates it finds on the ocean floor. Its jelly-like body, perfect for life in the deep, helps it withstand the immense pressure of the abyssal plains. Our next stop takes us to the kelp forests of southern Australia, where we meet a true master of disguise, the leafy sea dragon. This remarkable fish is related to the seahorse, and its amazing camouflage is truly breathtaking. Covered in long, flowing parts that look just like the swaying seaweed around it, the leafy sea dragon becomes practically invisible to predators. These leafy parts aren't used for swimming. Instead, the leafy sea dragon moves using tiny, see-through fins. This slow, careful movement, along with its incredible camouflage, makes it almost impossible to spot among the kelp. Get ready for a trip into the deep, dark ocean, where we meet a creature straight out of a nightmare, the goblin shark. This rare and mysterious shark has an appearance that can only be described as strange. Its most striking feature is its long snout, which sticks out far beyond its mouth, giving it an almost comical look. But this bizarre feature is no laughing matter. The goblin shark's snout is covered in electrosensitive receptors, which let it sense the faint electrical fields of prey hiding in the dark depths. Once it finds its target, the goblin shark's jaws shoot forward incredibly fast, spearing its victim on rows of sharp, needle-like teeth. Our journey now takes us to the freshwater lakes and canals of Mexico, where we find a creature surrounded by myth and legend, the axolotl. This amphibian, with its feathery external gills and permanently smiling face, has fascinated people for centuries. In Aztec mythology, the axolotl was believed to be the living form of the god Xolotl, a powerful deity associated with fire, lightning, and death. But what truly makes the axolotl special is its amazing ability to regrow lost limbs. If an axolotl loses a leg, tail, or even part of its heart, it can grow back the missing body part perfectly. We descend once more into the pitch-black depths of the deep ocean, where we encounter a creature that seems to embody the mysteries of the abyss, the vampire squid. This cephalopod gets its name from its blood-red color and the webbing that connects its arms, looking like a vampire's cloak. But despite its scary appearance, the vampire squid isn't a predator in the traditional sense. Instead of hunting down prey, the vampire squid drifts through the water, using its bioluminescent organs and long retractable filaments to attract small organisms and organic matter. When threatened, the vampire squid can pull its webbing over its body, creating a spiky defensive ball. In the abyssal depths where sunlight never reaches, we encounter a creature that has developed a remarkable adaptation for survival, the anglerfish. This ambush predator has a bioluminescent lure that hangs from a modified spine, like a fishing rod just above its mouth. This lure, filled with light-producing bacteria, acts as an irresistible beacon in the dark, attracting unsuspecting prey. The anglerfish's body is perfectly suited for a life of stealth and deception. Its dark color and bumpy skin help it blend into the surrounding environment, while its enormous mouth and expandable stomach allow it to swallow prey much larger than itself. Our journey now takes us to the ocean floor, where we encounter a creature that resembles a giant armored pillbug. the giant isopod. This crustacean, related to crabs, lobsters and shrimp, can grow to over 16 inches in length, making it one of the largest members of the isopod family. Its segmented exoskeleton, which protects it from predators, gives it an almost prehistoric appearance. Giant isopods are scavengers, feeding on dead animals, fish, and other organic matter that falls to the ocean floor. They have also been known to attack and eat live prey, such as fish trapped in nets. Their slow metabolism and ability to survive long periods without food make them well suited for life in the deep sea, where food can be scarce. Get ready to step back in time as we encounter a creature that has remained virtually unchanged for millions of years, the frilled shark. This mysterious shark is often called a living fossil because of its primitive features, which resemble those of its ancient ancestors that swam the seas during the time of the dinosaurs. The frilled shark's most striking feature is its 6 pairs of frilled gills, which give it a distinctly snake-like appearance. Its slender, eel-like body and flexible jaws allow it to swallow prey whole, while its rows of backward-pointing teeth ensure that nothing escapes its grasp. Our next encounter takes us to the surface of the open ocean, where we encounter a creature of breathtaking beauty and surprising danger, the blue dragon. This small sea slug, measuring just over an inch in length, floats upside down on the surface tension of the water, its vibrant blue color acting as camouflage against the sky above. But beneath its stunning exterior lies a secret weapon. The blue dragon feeds on venomous jellyfish, storing their stinging cells in its own tissues. When threatened, the blue dragon can release these stinging cells, delivering a painful sting to its attacker. Our final encounter takes us to the Twilight Zone, a realm of perpetual darkness, where we meet a creature with an extraordinary adaptation, the barrel-eye fish. This deep-sea fish has a transparent head, revealing its incredibly sensitive barrel-shaped eyes. These eyes are constantly pointed upwards, allowing the barrel-eye fish to look for the faint silhouettes of prey swimming above. When the barrel-eye fish spots a potential meal, it rotates its eyes forward and swims upward, using its large, flat fins for precise maneuvering. Its transparent head allows it to see in multiple directions simultaneously, making it a very effective hunter in the dimly lit depths. From the whimsical Dumbo octopus to the transparent head of the barrel-eye fish, we've traveled through the world's oceans to witness the incredible diversity and wonder of underwater life. These alien-looking creatures, with their unique adaptations and survival strategies, remind us of the vastness and mystery of our planet. There's still so much to discover in the depths of our oceans, and each new encounter promises to be just as captivating as the last. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more explorations into the wonders of the natural world.